How to adjust volume and panning in Soundation. First of all, open the Soundation project and select a track that you want to adjust. Next, open your master channel. The master channel is usually located at the very end of your top toolbar. Once the master channel is open, look for the automation feature and click on it. From the small drop-down arrow, you will see the options for volume and pan. Now, let's first automate the volume. In the drop-down menu, select volume. Once you do this, you will see a volume lane appear in the master channel. This lane will display a flat line that represents the current volume level. To adjust it over time, simply click on the line to add automation points. You can drag these points up to increase the volume or down to decrease it at specific points throughout the track. Next, let's move on to panning automation. Select the drop-down menu on the master channel and this time select pan. A new automation lane will appear similar to the volume lane. The pan automation line represents the stereo balance of the track. You can move the automation points to the left to pan your track towards the left speaker or to the right to pan it towards the right speaker. By adjusting these points throughout your track, you can create dynamic stereo movement which adds depth and interest to your mix. Using both volume and pan automation on the master channel helps you shape the overall sound of the track, making it more dynamic and polished. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust volume and panning in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.